How to set VIP contacts in Apple Mail. Setting VIP on iPhone or iPad. First, you must open the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad. And step 2, find an email from the person you want to mark as VIP. Step 3, tap the sender's name, then tap Add to VIP from the pop-up menu. That's it! You'll now see a special VIP mailbox in your mail apps, showing only messages from your important contacts. If you are setting VIP on Mac, Step 1. Open the Apple Mail app on your Mac. Step 2. Find a message from someone you want to mark as VIP. Step 3. However, over their name, click the star icon next to it, and they are now a VIP. You can also view and manage all VIPs by clicking on the VIP mailbox in the Mail sidebar. If you want custom alerts for VIP only, go to Settings, Notifications, Mail, Customize Notifications, and choose the VIP section. Now, you'll only get alerts for emails that matter. And that's it!